Hello, everybody. Welcome to this YouTube Live. Mushrima Mahapatra. I'm the founder of Odisha Digital Coaches Hub, a platform dedicated to help all of you wonderful Odia job seekers, businessmen, exam aspirants to improve your communication skills. And we are not talking about communication skill as English. So definitely I'm English fluency भी कहू, but communication skill रो जो पूरा छत्र छाया अच्छी से भितर विभिन्न जिंस आसे. For example, if you look at the three V's of communication: visual, vocal, verbal. तो suddenly you realize that visual communication कला बेले मते कौन elements उड़ाको I need to take care of. Verbal communication कला बेले what are the things that I need to take care of. Vocal communication कला बेले what are the things that I need to take care of. So communication is a big, vast area, and I think we all should know how to communicate, not just in English, but in any language. So, welcome once again to this YouTube Live. If you're watching it live, type hashtag live, and please don't forget to comment because I would love to read and reply to your comments, maybe during the session or after the session. Aji mu ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କହିବି introductions କେମିତି ଦେବା. କିନ୍ତୁ introduction ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା limit କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି because of lack of time. I want to do it. I don't want to overload you. So I just want to give you short introduction speeches. Okay. So ଆମେ କଣ introduce କରିପାରିବା. ଧରନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ନିଜକୁ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ casual environment ରେ ନିଜକୁ introduce କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି. Okay. So let's talk about it. So let's say introductions. Okay. So first I will talk about casual introduction. Okay. Then I will talk about formal introduction. Okay. Then I'll talk about how you can introduce a topic introduction. Dharantu apno kichi gote meeting re achanti, topic or agenda introduction, introducing the topic or agenda, right? And then I will talk about introducing your idea. Okay. Idea introduction. Idea, instead of idea, let me say opinion introduction. Okay. And then I will talk about, last but not the least, fifth one is definitely achievement or strength introduction. STRENGTH, strength or success story introduction. So ei panchata wonderful short way re किमिति आमे इंट्रोडक्शन करि परिबा सेटा मु आज कथार्ता हबी. देखंतु बंधु कोन जेबे भी आपण कैजुअल इंट्रोडक्शन करचंती बेले बेले कोन हुए कि मुंडरे बहुत जिंस थाए कोन कहबा कोन नाही. जदि आमे गोटे फॉर्मेट टाको फॉलो करिवा देन इट वुड बी फैंटास्टिक. सो जदि एकदम कम से कम समय माने 30 सेकंड्स रु 1 मिनिट भितरे आपण गोटे कैजुअल एनवायरनमेंट रे जण सहित देखा करचंती आ आपण निजको इंट्रोड्यूस करचंती. सो व्हाट शुड यू टॉक अबाउट. ओके. सो वंस वी आर क्लियर what we should talk about, we can practice on it and we can master it so that it becomes our habit. So what will happen is automatically jebe bhi apan konosi next party kimba bhoji bhato ku gale apan aram se nijero casual introduction ta de debe because you know what to speak and you have practiced on it. Same applies for all the different types of introductions. So chalantu aji ame casual introduction re kon kahiba uchit ame seta dekha kariba, seta jige बुझिया चेष्टा करिवा. सो कैजुअल इंट्रोडक्शन रे आमे डेफिनेटली कथा हवा एनपीआर कोन नेम प्लेस and role. Okay, whether it is job role or whatever it is that you're a student, whatever is the career role that you're playing. So just to be clear, माको कह देबी career role. Okay. आउ एई सबु पूर्वरु आमको करियर अछि गोटे बढ़िया से ग्रीटिंग. ओके, वी विल ग्रीट. ओके. आ तापरे शेषरे आमे कोन करिवा, आमे कहि देबा तांकू कि आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड. सो आमे गोटे क्यूरियोसिटी. ऑल राइट, क्यूरियोसिटी, थैंक यू एंड क्यूरियोसिटी. ओके. किंबा आकु जदी सिंपल वे रे मु कहबी क्लोजिंग. ठीक अछि. सो कोन ग्रीटिंग, हाय दिस इज श्रीमय. ओके. और मु कहि परी गुड इवनिंग. Good evening. This is Srimay. I'm from Bhanjanagar, but now settled in Bhubaneswar. I am on a mission to help. Okay, so I can say I am an engineer by education and entrepreneur by profession. All right, and I can say ଆଉ ଯଦି ଆମକୁ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଆକୁ better way ରେ କରିବାର ଅଛି ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ ଆଉ ଟିକେ detail ରେ ବି କଥା ହେଇପାରିବା, but I think for casual introduction this much is good, right? Closing ରେ ଆମେ କହିବା thank you so much. I would love to know about you as well. ଆଉ ମନେ ରଖନ୍ତୁ casual introduction ର ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ ବଡ point ହେଲା କି why are we here, so event importance, why am I here, the importance of the event. So I'm here to attend my, let's say, friends uh, award ceremony. କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ସେ ଇଭେଣ୍ଟରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି? ଆପଣଙ୍କର ମାମୁଁ, ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଭାଇ, ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଭଉଣୀ, ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସାଙ୍ଗ, whatever, ଆପଣଙ୍କର colleague ର ବାହାଘର, whatever it is, why are you there? Right, I'm here to attend. So casual introduction କଣ ହେଲା? ଆମେ କହିଲେ GNPR ତାପରେ EC. Okay, so greeting, name, place, career role, event importance, and closing. Very very simple. Okay, 30 seconds. Good evening everybody, this is Srimay. I'm from Bhanjanagar, but now sorry, but now settled in Bhubaneswar. I'm an engineer by education and entrepreneur by profession. I'm here to attend my friend's award ceremony. Thank you so much. I would love to know about you as well. Right? Clear? এটা হচ্ছে ଆମର casual introduction. যদি ଆମେ formal introduction କରିବା ତାହେଲେ same ଜିନିଷଟାକୁ ଆମେ copy କରିପାରିବା, but with a little bit of detail. ମାନେ କଣ? ଆମେ greeting କରିଦେଲେ, name କହିଦେଲେ, place କହିଦେଲେ, career role ରେ we need to be little bit more particular. For example, I'm an engineer by education, an entrepreneur by profession, and I'm on a mission to help Odias improve communication skills through online classes. Simple. ଯେତେ simple way ରେ କହିପାରିବେ ସେତେ better ଆପଣଙ୍କର career role ଟାକୁ. Okay? Event ର importance ସେଇଠି ଆଉ କହିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ. ଆପଣ rather ତା ବଦଳରେ ଆପଣ କହିପାରିବେ, ଆପଣ event ର importance ବି କହିପାରିବେ, just in case you are in a meeting, we are all here to talk about this, all of that you can say. But I'm here to let's say ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ official meeting ରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି, I'm here to okay attend this annual budget meeting. Okay, but here ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ଆମକୁ କହିବାକୁ ପଡିବ, ଗୋଟେ formal introduction ଯୋଉଟା generally ଆପଣଙ୍କର interview ରେ use ହୁଏ. So you can also talk about, ଯଦି ଧରନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ interview ଦେବାକୁ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି, you can say I am delighted to be here and looking forward to the interview process, right? आ उपरे आपण कहि परिबे जेतोळे स्पेशली आपण इंटरव्यू दोचंती. ओके, आउ एठी बंधुगण आउ गोटे कथा एठी आपण मन रखंतु कि हियर you should talk about what kind of a person you are. Okay, এটা বহুত important, right? What kind of a person you are. So what kind of a person you are, Ray? You talk about your qualities. ଆପଣଙ୍କର କଣ qualities? Don't talk about your yes, you can talk about a little bit about your hobbies, but ସେଇଟା ବହୁତ lengthy ହେଇଯିବ, ସେଇଟା short introduction ହବନି, ସେଇଟା lengthy introduction ହେଇଯିବ. So talk about what kind of a person you are. Maybe you can talk a little bit about your hobby, likes and dislikes, but what are your qualities? What are your attributes? For example, I consider myself to be a simple living high thinking individual with good outer quality with resilience as my strength. Resilience mane kono not giving up, right? I consider myself to be a simple living high thinking individual with with resilience as my strength. I love going out, ଆପଣଙ୍କର କିଛିଟା hobby, going out for long drives and knowing or exploring various people and places. Okay, various various people and places, right? So कौन हला एटा तापरे closing दा obviously thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you so much for listening to me. I'm looking forward to listen to you or others जोटा भी माने depending on आपण मीटिंग रे बहुत जन अछंती or not, others as well. ऑलराइट बंधुगण चलतु गोटे प्रोफेशनल इंट्रोडक्शन को केते शॉर्ट रे आमे कहि परिया सेटा टिके देखिदवा. Good evening everybody, this is Srimay. I'm from Bhanjanagar but now settled in Bhubaneswar. I'm an engineer by education and entrepreneur by profession, and I'm on a mission to help Odias to improve their communication skills through online classes. I'm here to attend this annual budget meeting. I'm really delighted to be here and looking forward to the interview process as well. I consider myself to be a simple living, high thinking individual with a resilience as my strength. I love going out for long drives and exploring about various people and places. Thank you so much for listening to me. I'm looking forward to listen to you as well. Kimti lagila bandhugano? Was this awesome? Type awesome in the chat box. Did you learn how to do a casual introduction and how to do a formal introduction in a very structured way, Bandhugana? Right? So, in the next part, in the next part of this video, we'll talk about how we can introduce topic, opinion, strength of a strength or success story of my life. Okay, तार बढ़िया बढ़िया सब framework अच्छी. I will talk about that in part 2 of this video. जदि ये वीडियो आपको helpful लगला, just type helpful in the comments, and if you can please be honest enough and bold enough to share your introduction in writing, please go ahead and share it in the comment box. जीवा पूर्वरु मु खाली एति कहबी कि इंग्लिश तो एक लैंग्वेज है, कम्युनिकेशन समंदर है, जो समझ गया वही धुरंधर है. Please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, and please check the description of this video to attend our next masterclass, which happens on Saturday from 7:30 to 9:30 p.m. exclusive for Odias to improve your English communication skills. Good night. Shabak Khair. Take care.